Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie and I'm back with your cutie pies with another vlog. And yes, you see me different. I got my hair did. I just left, went and got my hair done. Looks so cute, bomb. So prop to my, it looks so bomb. So props to my hairdresser.
And it's all because I'm working on my energy.
Yeah, you know, our secret of how we smell and look so good. But anyways, so with facial soft, I did a facial. I steamed my face the other day, and then my face right now feels so soft. Like I can fit right and it feels so soft. And also help clear up some of the acne that's going on, because I was starting to grow pimples again. But as soon as I did that, boom, my pimples started going down. Even the marks that I had like from the pimples have like started fading away. So yeah. But yeah, so for this one, I don't know what we're gonna be doing for this thing. I need to do my experience because I told you guys I was gonna make it, but I did not make it. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, let's see what the day takes us.
Don't cheat yourself on this, get you close. And it's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's happening. Fun. See you watching, take a picture, then a lust for love.
We got our spray. I wanted to do with this one because I did these two last time, these two the other time. So today is your turn, because this one I am in love with this spray. Like it smells so good. It reminds me of like kind of like an elegant class, but also don't mind my nail because I ended up popping and broke it off. I popped two of them actually. But this reminds me of class. This smells good, elegant. So yeah, with this spray. Let me take this off. Here's your spray. And here's my spray. It's really good. Like I really love this smell. Like I don't remember where did I get this? Oh, I got this. This is one I got from Sim Lieutenant, and this like smells so good. Like if you guys are ever stopping and have a Sim Lieutenant at your place, go ahead and get one of these because it's bomb. You get to put some of your chapstick on so your lips don't be chapped during the day.
You see the little star?
Yeah.
Snowflake? Where?
Oh. What is this like?
Thank you. Cars like that, good for
What about him?
Remember when he drove that car and the steam was going off? It was like,
Yeah.
and he drove there and all the older people was like,
Yeah.
you just brought the walkers to us. And then the walkers attacked. That's why I say he got that girl too.
Well, to be fair, if she would have stayed alive, she would have gotten them all killed.
Why you say?
Because she had her sister there.
I don't mind going.
But yeah, one character that I would bring back from The Walking Dead is Sasha and Jesus.
Wait, Jesus died?
Yeah. Oh, my fault.
That's good. That's
How you
surprising.
got on that?
I'm where, okay, pretty much they're working for that one guy that they...
Oh, Negan?
Yeah.
What happened with Negan? They working for him?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you're wow. You got ways to go.
You
Oh, I
know,
know Walking Dead. What's your favorite part? I know Walking Dead. What's your favorite
Heard him horse. Probably ain't seen
I even haven't seen that yet because it's on Hulu.
that. That was my favorite part because I was like, now y'all thinking, now y'all clickers are turning. Because I'd have been there.
My favorite part is probably when they took down the sanctuary.
What's that with me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like just that whole season.
I felt bad because
But they did keep most of them alive.
I think my favorite part is when that lady that used to be like pretty much always scared and timid. When she
Carol?
really saved the whole group. Yeah, right now she's going through an episode of scared to kill people because she don't want to take down but she will kill people, but she's very scared.
Yeah, she's gonna do good. That's the season I'm currently in. I don't want to fight with nobody. Fight with you, I just want to go live happily.
Why do we do all this?
I'm gonna go skipping, playing. I'm so glad. Remote start.
This is your girl Kpcutie and larger dimensional. Well guys, I am back after finished cleaning my room. I cleaned one part of my room and I cleaned like half of it. Now I gotta clean the other side and make my bed, which I need to clean my sheets because my sheets need to be washed and so is my curtains, so still gotta do that. But I'm gonna take a quick break and start getting why. I gotta take a quick break and help feed the family, so I'm gonna go ahead and make loaded nachos. As you can see before, gonna make some loaded nachos, but not just like a regular, like how I just put on everything on top, because my family doesn't like that, and for some reason it's just like kind of gets that gross feeling. So I want to put it separate, but they can make their own. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start making some loaded nachos.
You do to demons. I destroyed the embryos. We landed with a
I know just what to say. Can we?
As you can see earlier, I told you guys I got my hair done. Pretty much, it looks like a mess, but it's like not. It was supposed to meant to look like that. And my hair looks so fine, I'm so happy because I've been wanting these braids, and also with the goddess hairs, like kind of the goddess braids, because I've been like, I wanted them because they look cute, and I think they look cute on me. So yeah, that's why I got my hair in the goddess braids. But today's day or vlog I gotta do is pretty much, it's like a chill vlog, but I might also throw in some baking as well. Probably do baking earlier in the morning because right now it's late, and I just got my hair done, finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room up because my room needs to be clean, tended to. Because before, like it's like a tradition from me and my family is to clean the house before the New Year's hits. So by the time, well, we're supposed to do it like a month before the New Year's and keep it maintained clean. But you know, things don't plan out as it seems. But yeah, I need to clean my room up, make sure there's no dust, no dirt, no grime. So I'm gonna do like the pick up everything, set it into one side of the area, clean up the rest of the area, and then do the window seal, like to make sure the window seals are like wiped down, no dust, dirt, nothing like that sort. Ignore him. And make sure no dust and nothing like that sort. So yeah, went ahead to my room, clean it because it looks kind of a hot mess. So yeah, gotta do this. I gotta change my pillowcase. Don't ask me what is that stuff on it. Pull this, clean that. That's pretty much organized, just need to be wiped down. So is that. I really like that box. It's so cute. Just give it like life. Probably need to tape these down, wash them because they haven't been washed. Need to clean that up, reorganize that. Probably like take out colors and keep it like plain black and white and red. And pick up that, clean out that. Yeah. So yeah. So see you guys in a bit when I finish cleaning up. So cookies, I am back. I have just finished cleaning this side. From that basket all over here, up and down. Yes, watch my shoe. Cleaning to do next. This is what I gotta do later. That's semi-clean right up there. It's just this part now that's gonna be clean. Gotta do my sheets. And closet, which is only this part, like the bottom part. Up top it has been clean, which is the bottom part need to be clean. So, yeah. So right now I'm taking a break, eating my loaded nachos and reading. What the heck? So yeah.